Welkom terug, maats. Vandag gaan ek julle leer om in Engels vrae te vra. Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to do a few questions in English so that your friend that speaks Afrikaans can also learn how to ask questions in English. The first word we're going to learn in a question is the word what. Maats, die eerste woord wat ons in 'n vraagie gaan vra is die woordjie what. Dit beteken wat. Ek gaan elke vraag in Engels vra en dan gaan jy herhaal na my. So you can repeat each question after me. What is your name? What is your name? Wat is jou naam? What is this? What is this? Wat is dit? What do you have? What do you have? Wat het jy? What do you see? What do you see? Wat sien jy? What are you buying? What are you buying? Wat koop jy? What are you doing? What are you doing? Wat maak jy? Well done, everybody. The next word is where. Die volgende woordjie is where. Dit beteken waar. Now repeat each question after me. Herhaal elke vraagie na my. Is julle gereed? Kom ons begin. Where are you? Where are you? Waar is jy? Where is your book? Where is your book? Waar is jou boek? Where is my bag? Where is my bag? Waar is my tas? Where is the door? Where is the door? Waar is die deur? Where is my food? Where is my food? Waar is my kos? Where did you get this? Where did you get this? Waar kry jy dit? Where do you live? Where do you live? Waar bly jy? Baie mooi maats, die volgende woordjie wat ons nou gaan gebruik is how. And that means who in Afrikaans. So let us listen carefully. Please repeat each question after me. Herhaal asseblief elke vraagie na my. Is julle gereed, maats? Kom ons begin. How are you? How are you? Hoe gaan dit met jou? How do you do that? How do you do that? Hoe doen jy dit? How often do you walk? How often do you walk? Hoe gereeld stap jy? How do you know me? How do you know me? Hoe ken jy my? Well done everybody, baie mooi maats. Die volgende woord is when. Dit beteken wanneer. The next word that we use in questions is when. In Afrikaans it means wanneer. Now repeat each question after me. Herhaal elke vraagie na my. Is julle gereed? When are you visiting? When are you visiting? Wanneer kom jy kuier? When are we leaving? When are we leaving? Wanneer gaan ons ry? When were you born? When were you born? Wanneer is jy gebore? Baie mooi maats, julle doen goed. Die volgende woordjie wat ons gebruik in 'n Engelse vraag is who. Dit beteken wie in Afrikaans. The next word we're going to use is who. In Afrikaans we say wie. Now please repeat each question after me. Herhaal elke vraagie na my. Who are you? Who are you? Wie is jy? Who is there? Who is there? Wie is daar? Who does that? Who does that? Wie doen dit? Who did that? Who did that? Wie het dit gedoen? Who wrote a letter? Who wrote a letter? Wie het 'n brief geskryf? Baie mooi, maats. Nou weet julle hoe om vrae te vra in Engels. Well done, everybody. Now you also know how to ask questions in English to your Afrikaans friends, so you can help them. En onthou, maats, as ons 'n vraag vra, is daar altyd 'n vraagteken na die vraag. But always remember that when we ask questions in any language, there's always a question mark at the end of a question. Maats, ek hoop dit het julle sommer baie gehelp. I hope this video helped you a lot. Until next time, guys, please be safe, listen to mommy and daddy and your teacher. Thank you for watching. Baie dankie dat julle gekyk het en so mooi gewerk het. Until next time, please remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And be on the lookout for my next video so we can learn some more Afrikaans. Dankie maats, tot volgende keer. Kyk uit na my volgende video. Totsiens.